With BenQ DMS, you can remotely block apps installed on BenQ devices or prevent users from downloading apps from the Google Play Store. First, go to dms.benq.com and log in with your admin credentials. If you want to block apps for one specific display, go to Devices. Select the display in the list. Then click Details. Click the Apps tab. Here you will see a list of all the apps installed on the device. To block an app from being used on the display, simply click the eye icon and then click Confirm. You can click again to reverse the procedure. Now if you want to block an app on all your displays at once, you can use the New Policy feature. On the main menu on the left, click Policies. Click the plus icon to create a new policy. Click on Security Settings, then toggle on Block Apps. Here you can choose to block BenQ apps, apps you've uploaded on DMS, or apps from the Play Store. For BenQ apps and uploaded apps, simply select apps from the list to block them. To block specific apps from the Play Store, first click the link to the Play Store. Search for the app you want to block. Go to the app's main page and copy the URL. Paste the URL here and click Sync. Then Confirm. You can also restrict users from logging into the Play Store or completely disable it. Now, click Deploy. Confirm your changes. Then select your target and click Confirm. That's it! With BenQ DMS, you can easily restrict any apps from being installed with just a few clicks.